Namaskar. Welcome to GMG Biopharma Health Technocrats. I, Anand Ganu, and founder members of GMG Techno Forum invite you to be the part of this newly formed group. This forum is formed by Garze Marathi Global Incorporated, a non-profit registered company registered in state of California, USA, and Garze Marathi Global Foundation, non-profit Section 8 company registered in Maharashtra. This forum is for Garze Marathi Global members who are involved and interested in biotech, pharmatech, and health tech. The mission purpose of this group is to form synergistic symbiotic network of academics, professionals, researchers, entrepreneurs, and the students to educate and motivate young aspiring budding scientists, to provide scientific and professional guidance for young business owners and to set them in the right direction, to connect startups with potential business partners, investors, organizations, peers, and other industry leaders, to offer career guidance, educational resources, funding, and investment resources through webinars, workshops, and training, and to foster innovation. We all together will do this through networking, webinars, panel discussions, mentoring of startups from ideation, incubation to acceleration, and monthly online publication. We will maintain an intimate and collaborative setting for discussions and presentations of relevant subjects while incorporating an element of networking. The main pillars of this forum will be knowledge sharing, networking, product and business development, product and operational management, R&D, commercialization, strategy and marketing, patent and patent identification. The member will have access to the wealth of experience of GMB's vibrant mentors in BPH, that is Biopharma Health Tech Forum, bringing our community together to connect, learn, network, and to prosper. The members also can host their webinars. They can present their achievements and have peer-to-peer interaction. The accolades and honors of the members will be published in the forum meeting as well as in Garze Marathi's monthly magazine, Gaurav. The forum will facilitate mentor-mentee connect, making it a perfect avenue to give back. This is a membership group, and the membership is free but by selection. For more details, please visit our website www.garzemarathi.com or call me at 001 732 789 7130. Thank you very much. I look forward to have interaction with you. Bye for now.